Imagine not being able to see the board at school, and then growing up to invent a tool that helps people get their sight back. That's the kind of real-life superhero story you're about to hear in today's Black History for Kids lesson. You're learning about Patricia Bath, who was born on November 4th, 1942 in Harlem, New York. She grew up right in New York City during the 1940s and 1950s, a time when opportunities for women and African Americans were often limited. But here's the cool part. Limits didn't stop her. They fueled her. As a kid, you would have found Patricia reading science books instead of comic books. Her mom bought her a chemistry set, and her dad talked to her about the wonders of the world. Because her parents encouraged her curiosity, she started dreaming big early. In high school, she even worked on cancer research at Columbia University. Yes, high school. While most teens are figuring out lockers, she was already in a lab coat. Now let's talk about what she's best known for. Patricia Bath became a doctor who specialized in eyes. She noticed that many people in low-income communities were going blind from cataracts. Because she saw this problem, she decided to solve it. She invented a tool called the laser phaco probe. Because she created this device, doctors were able to remove cataracts more safely and help restore people's sight. That's huge. Imagine leveling up in a video game and unlocking the vision restored power. She also became the first Black woman doctor to receive a medical patent. That means she officially owned the rights to her invention. She was also the first Black woman to complete a residency in ophthalmology in the United States. In Black History for Kids, that's a milestone worth celebrating. But her journey wasn't easy. At the time, there were very few women and even fewer Black women in medicine. Some people doubted her. Some doors didn't open easily. But instead of quitting, she worked harder. She kept studying, practicing, and proving that she belonged. Because she stayed focused, she changed medical history. Her impact is still felt today. Because of her invention, thousands of people around the world have had their vision restored. Today, eye surgeons still use laser technology to treat cataracts. That's part of her legacy. That's why she's an important figure in Black History for Kids and in science history for everyone. Here's the expert tip I want you to remember. When you see a problem, don't just complain about it. Think about how you can fix it. Patricia Bath didn't ignore what she saw. She turned it into a mission. So stay curious, ask questions, study hard. The world needs problem solvers just like you. And who knows, the next big invention we celebrate in Black History for Kids might have your name on it.